High frequency. No one? High frequency is the word we use to describe words that we use a lot in our everyday language. But when we're learning them as like heart words, like they're coming up with our heart words and high frequency words, they're words that we don't necessarily know the spelling rule yet, but we want to know them to be able to write them before we learn it. Okay? That makes sense? So high frequency words are words that we use a lot, and we want to learn how to spell them before we learn the rules. So the first one is all. Everybody, let's pound out all. All. Tap it. All. Ooh. All. How many sounds do you hear? 2 sounds. Okay. 1, 2. What letter usually makes the ah sound? What letter usually makes the ah sound? So, O. I'm going to put the O. Those 2 lines means that this is the sound ah of our short O. It actually has a little thing like this up above it. That means it's the short O sound, but we don't need to worry about that right now. Short O sound. What about the next one? O. O. L. So, I know you know. I can only call on one person for this answer. So, let's see. You're right. So, but don't shout out next time, okay? So, we have an A that says the ah sound. Now, we haven't learned it yet, but if we're finding it on our sound wall, there's this one in saw. Pretty sure that's where it is. Yeah. We haven't learned any of those.
Apple.
Nope, that's an ah. Does it make the ah sound? Apple? No. Our short ah sound, octopus, it's a little bit different, the saw. But we haven't learned those sounds yet. So, but one of them, A, does make the ah sound. And we have to add another L because we haven't learned that rule yet either. But, so all is spelled A-L-L. Everybody, let's pound it. So let's spell it. All. A-L-L. All. Let's skywrite it. That's the words I wanted. Ready? Okay, ready? All. A-L-L. All. Everybody? A-L-L. All. One more time. I can't hear you though. A-L-L. All. Kinsley, do you have a question? What? Okay, we're not talking about that right now. We're talking about our lesson. So that's interrupting, and that's not necessary. Okay. Harper, turn around. Okay, not right now, Nash.
Just real quick.
Not right now. Okay. So all is one of our words. So this is a word that is a what word? What kind of word is it?
A heart word.
Not a heart word.
No.
High frequency
Frequency.
word, which means it's a word that we want to learn how to spell before we learn those rules.
I already know
Good.
how to spell.
Okay, our next word is some. Everybody, let's pound out some. Some. How many sounds do you hear? How many sounds do you hear, Harper?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. What's that first sound we hear? What's that first sound we hear? Evelyn. Is there a question that's talking about our high frequency or heart words? Is it? Okay. Well, wait. Okay. What's that first sound, Lily?
A.
No. I'm asking a question, so I'm expecting if you're raising your hand, you have an answer to my question. S. Thank you, Jackson. What's the sound that usually makes the sound? Caitlin. Not off. You. So our sound that we're looking for is U. Caleb. What letter? M. Okay. This word is a heart word because it has an O and an E. Now, we haven't learned the magic E yet, but that's not the point of why it's a heart word. O with an O consonant E does not make the sound. It makes the sound. So in the word some, it's SOME. Everybody, let's skywrite it. Actually, I want everyone to stand up and skywrite because I need some people participating. When we're skywriting, you are tracing those letters. We're tracing the letters. You can look at the board, you can look over here. But you're tracing the letters with your finger nice and big. Nope, not right now. Lily, stand up. Stand up. Okay, ready? S-O-M-E, some. S-O-M-E, some. I need to hear you. S-O-M-E, some. Very good. I expect to hear you doing it with me, okay? And one. Okay. What I want you to do, we have been having those letters that we move, right? But now we have our whiteboards out. So what you're going to do is I'm going to put up a word. You're going to write the word, and then when I say ready, read, you're going to point to either your letters or my letters. We're not going to make that noise, please. You're going to point to your letters or my letters. It's your choice. And read it. Are you going to erase the whole word? No. No, you're going to see the next word, and if you're going to change, you're going to physically change, erase one letter, or if it erases the whole word, that's up to you to decide when you see it. Okay? Ready? Don't read it yet. So Zaylee and Lily, I should not see those clipboards out. This does not go on your clipboard.
Oh, yes. No.
You do not need a clipboard with your whiteboard. Put it back. Put it away. Okay, I like how I can see Mason has his finger up. He's ready to read. Okay, Nash, who are you worried about? Good. Okay, and you're practicing writing those letters correctly. I know we've talked about a lot of these letters. You're practicing. Okay, fingers up. Ready, read. Et. Good. Don't erase the whole thing. And you can write it big. You have a big whiteboard so that you can write it big, okay? And
I write it small.
you're not writing a new word. I want you to change out the part of the word. So you're erasing a letter or two. Only erasing that one letter. I want you to change it. Thank you, Mason.
I just erased the first.
I like that. I like that you did that.
I knew the first letter was in the shape.
Remember, this letter is written like this. You start at the top, go down, come back up, and around. Did my pen lift at all? Nope. Okay, ready? Fingers up. Ready? Read. Book. Et. Bet. Okay, next one. I like how Evelyn has hers nice and big so she can read it really, really easily. That's why I had you get your big ones out. And I can see it from here. That's the other reason. I want to be able to see your words. Okay, fingers up. Ready, read. Old, et. Good. Good. And you're pointing. Thank you, Mason. Thank you, Kevin. I'm seeing some weird T's. T is not, we don't curve our T's in here. We don't do this. We're doing just a straight line, please. Okay, fingers up. Ready, read. Look at. I don't know if I heard everyone. Let's try that one again. Ready? Look at. Nice job. Thank you, Harper. And this letter is written like this. Ready? Start it off like an A. So you go in a circle, and you go all the way down. Am I picking up my pen at all? No, I'm not doing a ball and then a this. Okay? Ready? Fingers up. Fingers up. I'll wait. Fingers up. You're pointing to your letters. Kinsley, you ready?
Put my marker up too.
Ready? Read. Good. At. Nice job. Look at what sound changed.
Oh.
Pay attention.
Oh.
Oh, don't want to hear it. I want to see it on your board. And thank you, Cora and Caleb and Jimmy and Lily.
It's like they're all right there.
Okay, Kinsley, we're waiting on you. Let's go. No one needs to look. We're waiting. Okay, ready? Fingers up. Ready? Read. Good. Nice job. Okay. Fingers up. It shouldn't take that long to erase one letter and change it. Fingers up. Ready? Read. Hot.